gonna bury my legs and feet in the sand. Watch this. Ah, that's great.
Bluey, Bingo, it's time to come inside and get all washed up. You girls are a sandy mess.
Come on, Bluey. Let's go. Goodbye, beautiful sandcastle.
Why don't you girls head on up to the bathtub and get washed up, get all of that sand off of you. But remember, don't flood the bathroom this time.
Okay, we'll try not to be too messy. Do you want to get in together, Bingo, or take turns? Let's go together. This will be fun. Let's turn the water on. Let's get it nice and warm.
Wiggle, Giggle, play.
This looks perfect. Let's get in. Come on, Bingo. Ah, this is great. Here I come. It's so warm. What should we play, Bluey? I think we're missing something. Bubbles. Oh, great idea, Bluey. I love bubbles. Charlie, can you bring us some bubbles, please?
Here you go, girls. Here's some bubbles. Let me pour them in. Mix up the water so it'll be nice and bubbly.
Thank you.
I'll be back in just a few minutes to check on you.
Wow, this sure is making a lot of bubbles. Keep mixing, Bluey. You heard Mom. The more you mix, the more bubbles you get. Bluey? Bluey? Where are you? Right here, Bingo. I can't see anything. Oh, there you are. I can see. There's so many bubbles. This is amazing. I have an idea. Let's play dress up in the bubbles. Okay, I'll go first. Look, I'm a ghost. Can you see me? My turn. I'm a snowman. Watch me melt. I have an idea. Let's sing a song. I know one. Splish Splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Bathtub, just relaxing in the tub. Thinking everything was alright. Splishing and a splashing, moving and a grooving. And a splish splash.
Bluey and Bingo, what in the world is going on in here? There's bubbles everywhere.
Whoopsie. I guess you're having too much fun dancing and singing in the tub.
I see that. Look at this. I'm slipping and sliding, moving and grooving.
And a splish splash.
Okay, girls, we really need to get some of these bubbles wiped up before someone slips and gets hurt. Let me grab a towel. That's better. It's time to dry off. It's after bedtime. Bluey, you're first.
Well, I stepped out the tub, put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then I splish splash.
Bluey, don't you dare jump back in the tub. Okay. Come on, Bingo. It's your turn to dry off. Come on out.
Okay. That was so much fun playing in all the bubbles. Sorry about the mess.
That's okay. Just pay more attention next time. We don't want anyone slipping and getting hurt. You both need to use the potty before you go to bed. Bingo, you go first.
Okay. That feels better. I'm all done. Let me flush. It's time, Bluey. Okay, here I go. This is my tinkle song. I sing it all day long. I'm all finished. Let me close the seat back down. And now it's time to flush the potty.
Alright, you two. It's been a long day. It's time to get some rest so we can have another fun day tomorrow.
Good night, everyone. This day was exhausting. Good night.
Good night, girls. Get some good rest. See you in the morning.
Good night, Bluey. Thanks for letting me play with you today. Good night, Bingo. I can't wait till we go splishing and a splashing again.